Okay, now that you have your car safely jacked up, we'll be removing the charcoal canister. Unfortunately, the subframe is in the way, so we will lower that down. Your first step will be to remove the sway bar brackets. You have a 12mm bolt here and here as well. And you'll do the same thing to the other bracket on the other side, right there. Okay, now that you have your sway bar out of the way, it's very loose, you can kind of move it around. You'll be removing these 14mm bolts for your subframe. 1, 2, 3. On the other side, 4, 5, 6. It's a little mirror image of this side. So go ahead and remove those bolts, and that will allow the subframe to drop out of the way. Okay, now that your subframe is lowered, start undoing your electrical connections and hoses. I would recommend taking a photo beforehand and get ready to install your new charcoal canister up in this location. Okay, now that you have your new charcoal canister in, you can raise your subframe from the jacking point here, align your bolts up and reinstall all your bolts. It's pretty much installation is reverse of the first part of this video where you remove the bolts. And that's how you change out your charcoal canister.